Welcome. Today, we are going to learn how to cancel a bill in the billing screen. Select Module Banquets from the PMS menu. Select Submodule Billing under Banquets. Select option Banquet Bill under Billing. Click the Search button in the Bill Help to view a list of bills. Select the desired entry. Click the Add Supplementary button to add supplementary if any. Double-click or press F1 key in the code column to add supplementary item. Double-click on the item which you want to add as supplementary. Click the Save button. If you wish to add the tax exemption type, click the Tax Exemption button. Select the tax type from the Tax Exemption Help screen. Select the OK button. If the user wants to split the bill, then click the Amount Split button. The Amount Split screen is displayed. Enter the amount which you want to be displayed in the first bill. Press the Enter button. The remaining amount will automatically come to the next bill. Click the Confirm button. Click the Save button to save the entered information. A discount message is displayed. Click Yes if you wish to give discount for the bill. Enter the discount percentage in the discount percentage column and click Confirm button. Now to cancel the bill, click Cancel the Bill button.